Welcome back to Wanderlust Reports. In April 2024, the Michelin Guide introduced the Michelin Key, a new distinction that honors the world's most outstanding hotels, much like the famous Michelin star does for restaurants. In Bangkok, 18 hotels can now proudly boast having received between 1 and 3 Michelin Keys. And among the 8 prestigious establishments awarded 2 Michelin Keys, today I'm visiting the Okura Prestige Bangkok. As you'd expect, the Okura Prestige consistently earns top ratings across all major hotel review sites. Of course, if you arrive by car, you'll enter the hotel from Wireless Road. But one particularly convenient feature is its direct covered connection to the BTS Phloen Chit station, which is especially convenient during Bangkok's rainy season. While there's a welcome desk on the ground floor, the main reception is actually located on the 24th floor, where the hotel truly begins, above the office levels below. So let's take the lift. On the 24th floor, the lobby welcomes you with an impressively high ceiling, and it's also where the hotel's 2 breakfast restaurants are located. The reception team offers service that is both impeccably polite and wonderfully efficient. Let's head up to the 27th floor to see my room. This room feels elegantly designed and surprisingly spacious for an entry-level category, with warm tones, premium furnishings, and a truly luxurious level of comfort. The bed alone reminds you that you are in a true 5-star luxury hotel, with its wonderfully comfortable mattress, excellent selection of pillows, and silky warm duvet. And you have power outlets exactly where you need them. On this side, there's even a USB port for added convenience. And there's also a control panel for managing all the lights. The desk was spacious enough for me to work comfortably. Let's take a look at the view from our window. What I really enjoy about being on a higher floor is how it opens up and expands your view over the city. This skyscraper, One City Center, is Thailand's tallest office tower and the country's 5th tallest building, rising to 276 meters or 905 feet. The large park you see here along Wireless Road isn't public. It's actually the garden of the US ambassador's residence. Great news for coffee lovers, there's an espresso machine in the room, stocked with 2 capsules. Minibar prices are on the high side, but that's perfectly expected in a 5-star luxury hotel. The tea from the Sri Lankan Azerbaijani company Saro certainly looks premium, but since I haven't tried it, I can't say whether it tastes as good as it appears. The bottles of water, both here and in the bathroom, are of course complimentary. The base for the electric kettle is cleverly hidden in a drawer on the side of the unit, something guests might not spot right away. The hotel features Hand Hygiene Products, a Thai luxury brand. All the needed amenities are provided. In typical Thai fashion, the shower is positioned next to the bathtub with the water falling directly onto the floor, or in the bathtub. The bathroom can be left open to the room, or you can slide the doors closed for more privacy. I should mention that Okura Prestige is the luxury brand of the Japanese Okura Nikko group, which explains why you'll find these yukatas in the room. And of course, a Japanese brand means Japanese toilets, which I absolutely love. Is the Wi-Fi fast? It's not just fast, it's faster than the Millennium Falcon. Overall, this room really impressed me. It's large, beautifully designed, offers an elevated view over the city, like here, comes with an excellent bed and pillows, and even features fantastic Japanese toilets. As for the downsides, honestly, I couldn't find any. Let's go check out the outdoor infinity pool and the gym. just grabbed a towel and I enjoyed the incredible view from the pool. The gym offers enough equipment to satisfy even the most demanding guests. The spa looked very nice, but I didn't try it. So all I can really say is that the prices are extremely high, easily 10 times what you'd pay at street level. Though of course, the experience is not at all the same. After a great night's sleep, it's time for breakfast. You can choose between a Japanese set menu option or an international buffet. And I went for the buffet, but let me show you the Japanese option and place. This table? No, this one offers a better view. It's a big buffet, so I'll show you everything that's on offer without too much talking. Enjoy! Honestly, this is easily among the top 3 breakfast buffets I've had in Bangkok, right up there with the ones at the St. Regis and the Peninsula. They do offer Eggs Benedict, so Eggs Benedict it is. And these ones, with smoked salmon, were excellent. So how much did I pay? Just $204, which is truly an excellent price for such a luxury experience, even by Thailand standards. In conclusion, the Okura Prestige truly shines. The location next to the BTS is perfect, the infinity pool is amazing, the service is on another level, the breakfast is excellent, and the room is superbly comfortable. Add to that the excellent value for money, just $200 for this level of luxury, and it becomes an outstanding experience. Apart from the high minibar and spa prices, there's really nothing to complain about. With a final score of 18.4, this is the best grade I've ever given on this channel.